Welcome to Structorium. Every machine has its own rhythm. That rhythm is called cycle time. Imagine one machine producing identical parts. Every 10 seconds, one finished part leaves the machine. This repeating interval is called cycle time. Every operation has its own cycle time. Some take only a few seconds. Others take much longer. A shorter cycle time means parts are produced more frequently. But reducing cycle time only helps if the operation is the bottleneck. Understanding cycle time helps measure, compare, and improve production processes.